Hello friends, in this video we will see how to use the circular repeat option that is available in Start Pro. For that we will draw a structure. Let me show you what kind of structure we can draw using the circular repeat. Okay, I'll draw a structure. Alright, let me draw it. This is a very rough sketch, and let us assume that this is circular in shape, the top, and okay, it will have like this. All right, and same projection here as well. Okay, the kind of drawing that I'm not very proud of, but it will do the work that is teaching you. Okay, and this is also circle. All right, here it should be like this. All right, this is a very rough sketch, and let us suppose that this span is of 500 mm, 0.5 meters, and this height is of 5 meters. Okay, and this span from here to here, it's let us take as 3 meters. Okay, so suppose that we want a structure something like this, a circular structure. Over there it goes like this to the top, and on the top it's a flat, so that you can put something gazur kind of object in that. Okay, if you don't know what gazur is, please do a Google search. It will enhance your knowledge. Gazur is very much famous in Nepalese temples. On the top of the temple you got an object that we call as the gazur. Let us go to Start Pro, and what we'll do, we will first define this node. After that we will define this node and this node and this node, and we will first draw this part of the structure. Okay, let's go to Start Pro. The first node, okay, let's not define the first node. First node we'll define is this node. All right, so let us define this node as the first node. The node will be at the origin. Next node is at a height of 5 meters. So let us select 5 meters. Okay, not in the x direction but in the y direction. Y is 5, not 50, it's 5, and x is 0. So we got this height, and after that we got this node. With reference to this node, if I just copy this node over here, and with reference to this node, I'll get this node at. So if this is 0, then suppose that this height is 1 meter. This height is, suppose it's 1 meter. Okay, then the coordinate of this is 1 meter in the y and -3 in the x direction. Now let us do the same. Okay, now this time the structure will go in the negative direction as well. Try to avoid these things. Okay, you can define this origin at somewhere else. So let us just delete these 2 points, and let us define the origin at somewhere x at more than 5 means, so I have to go 3 here. So I'll just draw the x in 10, 0, 0, and after that next coordinate I'll have at 10, and the height will be at 5 meters. Yeah, I got it. I'll just copy this node, so select it, and after that Control C and Control V. X coordinate is, as I've already told you, this direction is 3, and this is -3 in this case, and y is, okay, -3, and y is 1 meter, and click on OK. So right now they two look at the same position. I'll just edit the y of this node. I'll just take it to the 8 meters. Now you can clearly see that the node is on the upper level than this node. After that I need this node at 0.5 meters. Let us take this one as 1 meter, so that it is displayed clearly in our Start Pro. So select this node, Control C and Control V, and it's -1 in the X direction, and click on OK. They two look at different levels, but they are at the same level. Due to the isometric view, it looks as if it is down. To see it in the plane, let us see in the front view. Now you can see that they are at the perfect level. Let us go to the isometric view. Now I will draw a beam here. For that, left click on Add Beams, and left click here, and left click here, and after that left click and left click and left click here. If I see the front view, then I'll see something like this. Again, go to the isometric view. Okay, after that, select everything that is available here. Just press Ctrl A to select everything. Now we will use the circular repeat option. For that, go to Geometry and click on Circular Repeat, or you can access this option from here as well. The axis of rotation is, as you can see that I have just drawn this over here, this portion of the structure. I'll use a different color. Okay, I have drawn this portion of the structure, right? Now I have to rotate this structure like this, so that I'll get the entire structure. Therefore, the axis of rotation is this axis, that is the y-axis. Therefore, I'll choose the y-axis as the axis of rotation. And through which node I want to rotate? I want to rotate through this node. Therefore, I'll select this node. So click on this icon and click on this node. Alternatively, you can just give the coordinate of the node that you want to select. Total angle of rotation is 360 degree, because I want to rotate it from here, and I want to rotate it all the way back to its own position. That is why the angle is 360 degree. Number of steps, suppose that I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 number of steps. You can add as many as you want, 6 number of steps. Okay, after that, click on link steps option available here and click on open base. Open base means that all these points, all these nodes will be connected, but these nodes will not be connected at the base. The base will be open. So check open base option also and click on OK. Now you can see that you got a structure that you wanted to make. You got a structure over here. Nice. In this way, you can use circular repeat option to make structure like this.